Hello everyone, welcome to another lesson of art therapy. So as you know, yesterday we started our series of positive affirmations and art journaling. So I hope you had fantastic time doing your affirmation yesterday. Please do tag us on our page and we look forward to see your artwork. Today I will also be putting my first artwork of the affirmation and I hope it really helped you to understand where we are coming from because we are working on thoughts. The kind of thoughts we are giving to our body, that is how it is going to reciprocate, and you will see the abundance and the changes it's going to get into your life. So, before we start the art therapy lesson today, I will give you a task first, like I always give you an activity. It's like an icebreaker. So today, before you start your art therapy, you will have to write two positive things about yourself. Okay? आप अपने बारे में दो पॉजिटिव चीज़ें पहले लिखेंगे. You will take 5 minutes, 3 minutes to write that. And then we will start the art journaling of the affirmation that I'm going to give you. So, now what are positive things about ourselves? Just to be clear on that, कि हमारे अंदर ऐसे कौन से सकारात्मक चीज़ें हैं जो पॉजिटिव हैं, जो हमें बहुत दूसरों से फील करते हैं कि दिस इज़ वेरी पॉजिटिव अबाउट मी. सो वन थिंग आई कैन टे अबाउट माई पॉजिटिव एस्पेक्ट इज़ दैट आई एम नॉट जजमेंटल. मैं दूसरों को बहुत स्कोप देती हूँ एंड स्पेस देती हूँ फॉर देम टू बी द वे दे आर, बिकॉज यू नो इट्स नॉट इन आवर हैंड्स हाउ दे आर. And the second thing I can say about myself is I'm very courageous. I try to take stand for myself and even my family, my children, if I feel there is something that needs to be spoken. And I do not compromise on that. Now, being courageous does not mean you're fighting the people. That means that you stand for your values, you stand for what you believe in, and you help others to also achieve that. So, two positive things about yourself you're supposed to write and then share it with everyone and let people see how you think about yourself. It's very important as how much self-love I am giving to myself, how much respect I have for myself as a person. दूसरों के बारे में बोलना बहुत आसान है. अपने लिए क्या पॉजिटिव आप सोचते हैं? आपकी सेल्फ टॉक क्या है? Is it a negative talk? Is it a positive talk? So it's a very, very good way to see that. जब भी आपको कभी लगे कि I am not able to think right, I'm feeling flooded with negative thoughts, leave that. Take a pen, pencil, write down two positive things about yourself. And then when you write down that, it will give you a frequency to understand, no, this is me, this is not me. Like, you know, it's all about taking feedbacks from people. If someone gave you feedback, you are a horrible person, and you know that I'm not like that, you know, I know that, so you're going to hush that off. But the moment someone said something and you become sensitive to that thought, that means you need to work on yourself. You need to see, no, this is not me. And if you're able to hush that thought, okay, if there's something valid in that, take it. If there's nothing valid in that, release it. You don't need to. And if you are not thinking that and you could hush it off, that means you are able to take feedbacks. You are able to understand where the other person is coming on. And if you think, yes, this is what I think I can do, and this is not what I did, then that shows your positive aspect in life. Because it is very essential to have some examples of feedbacks, how we take things in our life. If you're reacting, then you need to understand why you're reacting, why you're not liking a certain thing in someone else's life. So that's the first part. Now coming to the art journaling. I hope you're enjoying doing your textures, doing your drawings, because these are affirmations that are going to be staying with you. And so today I have taken the affirmation is I am loved, loving, and lovable. I'm loved, loving, and lovable. So that means you're trying to tell yourself, I am loved. I am loved by people around me. I am loving. That means I'm capable of loving others also. I'm capable of loving others. I'm capable of loving my surroundings. I'm capable of loving pets. I'm capable of loving people the way they are. And lovable. That means people see me as a lovable person also, right? So when you do these three aspects of your life, then you understand that it's not always I'm loving. You have to also think, are you lovable? Are you doing those things? So that's how I've got this affirmation for you today. I am loved, I'm loving, and lovable. So I hope you have fantastic time doing this artwork for this affirmation, and let me know how did it go. Tag us on our Dr. Shivani Khaitan Instagram page. We'll look forward to see and hear from you. Any questions, you are most welcome to write us. So have a great lesson. Namaskar.